Imagine you are in a big castle with lots of rooms and hallways, and you want to explore every room. But you don't want to waste your time. You want to be efficient about this. So instead of going through each hallway one by one, you decide to go as far as you can down one hallway until you reach the end. Once you reach the dead end, you go back to the last spot where there was an entrance to another hallway. You then go down that hallway and repeat the process. And you just keep doing this until you've successfully explored every hallway and room in the castle. This is just like depth first search. Our big castle of rooms and hallways is just like a graph. DFS keeps going deeper into one path before turning back, just like you exploring one hallway fully before trying a different one. But how do we make this work through code? Let's start by defining a binary tree. A binary tree is just a graph of nodes. A node contains a value, a left child, and a right child. Those children are just other nodes. If a child doesn't exist, then that child will be set to null. Now, let's define a function called DFS in Python and add the root to an array. Let's travel to the left node of that root. We want to keep traveling down the left side of the binary tree, so let's call the DFS function inside the DFS function. And now, let's travel to the right node and keep traveling down the right side of the tree. So let's break down exactly what this DFS function is doing. First, we append the current node to our array. This is like marking the room we're in as visited. Then, we recursively call DFS on the left child until we hit a null child. This is like exploring the left hallway as far as we can go until we reach a dead end in our castle. After we've explored everything to the left, we recursively call DFS on the right child. This is like backtracking and then exploring the right hallway. The function keeps doing this until we've explored everything, and then we return the array of all the nodes we've visited. And of course, we have to make sure there's an entrance to our castle in the first place. So let's check if the root exists before doing anything else. So basically, DFS is an algorithm that explores a graph or a tree by going as deep as possible along each branch before backtracking, effectively traversing all nodes.